You get a call and it's your bank's fraud department. Someone's trying to drain your account, they say, but they can stop it if you act fast. Just move your money to a safe account using Zelle or send it to yourself and you'll be protected. It sounds responsible. It is the scam. Here's the brutal truth about apps like Zelle, Venmo, and Cash App. The moment you hit send, the money is gone, instantly, like handing a stranger cash on the street. And here's the part almost nobody knows until it's too late. If a scammer tricked you into sending it yourself, your bank usually will not give it back. Not because they're cruel, because of a legal loophole we'll unpack in a minute. In the next few minutes, I'll show you why this money is so much less protected than you think, the specific cons that exploit it, and a few simple rules that keep your money safe, including the one sentence no real bank will ever say to you. Let me show you. First, understand what these apps actually are, because the marketing makes them feel like a bank, and they don't behave like one. Zelle, Venmo, Cash App, and the rest are built for one thing: sending money fast to people you already know and trust, splitting a dinner bill, paying back a friend, sending your kid grocery money. The whole design is speed. The money leaves your account and lands in theirs in seconds, and crucially, there is no undo button. Once it's sent, it's sent. Think of it exactly like cash. If you hand someone $2,000 in 20s on the sidewalk and they walk away, there is no dispute you can file. The bills are just gone. A payment app is the digital version of that, and this is completely different from how a credit card works. When you pay a stranger with a credit card and it turns out to be a scam, you can call the card company, dispute the charge, and they pull the money back. That's called a chargeback, and it's a powerful protection. Payment apps have nothing like it, so the very feature that makes them convenient, instant, and irreversible is exactly what makes them a scammer's favorite tool. They aren't a safe way to pay strangers. They were never meant to be. That single mismatch, a tool built for friends, used to pay strangers, is where almost every one of these scams lives. Now the part that shocks people, often at the worst possible moment: why your bank can refuse to refund a scam. It comes down to one word: authorized. Under the rules that govern electronic payments, there's a sharp line between two situations. The first is an unauthorized transaction. Someone steals your card or hacks your account and moves money without you. That is fraud, and you're generally protected. The bank has to make you whole. The second is an authorized transaction. You yourself sent the money. And here's the trap: the rule doesn't care that you were lied to. If a scammer convinced you to tap send, in the eyes of those rules, you authorized it. So the strong fraud protections simply don't apply. The same $2,000, lost two ways, has two completely different endings. Stolen off your account, you're likely protected. Tricked into sending it yourself, you may be on your own. That's exactly why scammers work so hard to get you to do the sending. It quietly strips away your safety net. Now, there's been some recent pressure and partial progress. Banks have started reimbursing certain impersonation scams where the scammer claims to be your bank on Zelle. But it's inconsistent. It doesn't cover most scam types, and no major app fully refunds people who were tricked into paying. So the honest takeaway is this: do not count on getting it back. The protection you assume is there often isn't, which means prevention is the only thing you can fully rely on. So how do they actually get you to send it? Let me show you the playbook, starting with the most dangerous one because it turns your own caution against you. It's the fake bank call. Your phone rings, the caller ID may even look like your bank, and a calm, professional voice says there's been fraud on your account. Then comes the move. To protect your money, we need you to move it to a secure account, or even send it to yourself using Zelle and we'll verify it. It feels like you're rescuing your own money. You're not. That Zelle payment goes straight to the scammer, and because you sent it, it's authorized, and it's gone. So burn this into your memory. No real bank ever will tell you to send money via Zelle or Venmo to protect it or verify it. That sentence is the scam, 100% of the time. A real fraud team freezes the account on their side. They never need you to move a single cent. The second con is the marketplace trap. You're buying or selling something online: a concert ticket, a puppy, a couch, and a stranger insists on paying or being paid through a payment app. With a stranger, that's pure risk. They take the item and vanish, or send a fake "you've been paid" screenshot. The third is the accidental payment trick. Someone accidentally sends you money, then begs you to send it back. But the original was funded with a stolen card, so when it reverses, you're out the amount you returned. Different stories, same engine. Get you to send to someone you can never get it back from. Here's how to catch all of it, no matter the story. Because the tells barely change. Tell one, and it's the big one. Anyone telling you to move money to protect, verify, or secure it is running a scam. Real protection means freezing or closing an account, never sending money somewhere. If the solution to fraud is for you to send money, it is the fraud. Tell two. You're being asked to pay or accept payment from someone you don't actually know, especially for a purchase. Payment apps are for friends and family. The second a stranger wants to use one for a deal, treat it as a red flag, not a convenience. Tell three. Urgency wrapped in authority. This is your bank. Act now. Your account is at risk. That pressure to move immediately exists for one reason: to stop you from hanging up and checking. A real institution is perfectly fine with you calling them back. Put it simply, protect it by sending it. A stranger on a payment app and act now or else. Any one of those and your hand should come off the screen. So here's how to use these apps without fear, because they're genuinely useful, with a few firm rules. Rule 1, only ever send to people you personally know and trust in real life. That's what the apps are for. The instant a transaction involves a stranger, it's the wrong tool. Rule 2, and write this on your heart, never ever send money to yourself or to a safe account to stop fraud. It is not a real thing. The only correct response to a "your account is compromised" call is to hang up and call your bank back on the number printed on your card or your statement, never a number or link they gave you. If it was real, the real bank will know. If it wasn't, you just dodged it. Rule 3, when you're buying from or paying a stranger, online marketplaces, tickets, anything, don't reach for a payment app at all. Pay with a real credit card, precisely because a genuine card purchase gives you a chargeback safety net these apps don't. And be clear on one thing, because it trips people up. Simply linking a card to Venmo and sending a normal payment does not make it protected. That safety net only kicks in when you actually pay as a real card purchase, through a proper checkout, not a person-to-person send. And Rule 4, the universal one, slow down. Scammers need speed. Verification kills them. There is almost no real money emergency that can't survive a 5-minute pause to check. Treat every payment app transfer like cash leaving your hand, because that is exactly what it is, and these 4 rules will keep it in safe hands. So here's the whole thing in one breath. Payment apps like Zelle and Venmo move money instantly and irreversibly, just like handing over cash, with no chargeback to save you. And because of a legal loophole, if a scammer tricks you into sending it yourself, the payment counts as authorized, so your bank usually won't refund it. Don't count on getting it back. The cons all aim to make you send a fake bank fraud department telling you to move money to a safe account or send it to yourself. Strangers insisting on a payment app for a purchase. An accidental payment you're begged to return. The tells barely change. Anyone saying move money to protect it, any stranger on a payment app, any urgent, act now. And the rules that keep you safe: only pay people you truly know, never send to yourself to fix fraud, use a credit card with strangers, and slow down to verify on a number you trust. So here's your takeaway. One sentence worth memorizing. No real bank will ever tell you to send money to protect it. So if anyone does, it's a scam. Hang up and call your bank yourself. Treat these apps like cash, keep them for people you know, and reach for a credit card with strangers. If this made your money a little safer, consider subscribing, because that's exactly what this channel is for, the digital world, explained in plain English, so that you and the people you love can stay a step ahead. And forward this to someone who uses Zelle or Venmo all the time. It's the kind of thing we all assume is more protected than it really is. Stay sharp out there.